This tutorial is to explain how to use the filtering functions in GL3Dviewer. Also re-demonstrate some of the trim functions. We start with this Mat 5 facial scan. We come down to trim, and you can see there's various holes in here. Well, first we do want to get some step edges. What you can't see very well is there's actually edges on those. So we'll go ahead and what it did is trimmed off any excursions and actually made the holes a little bigger. Well, we then fill these holes in by turning on the fill hole, and as you increment this is the number of UV pixels, and we increase it until most of the holes are filled in. We can then go to rendering to do the filtering and observe it. A lot of times you want it into the metallic. So here's the metallic surface. You can do it in points, or you can do it triangular. Points are good. Sometimes the trick where the points get less dense, you can just increase the point size if you want. And so now let's do the filtering. Go to Render, Filter. One is a median filter, the other is what we call a trend filter. It fits a plane to the surface. We'll turn each of these on. The filter size is 2n plus 1. In other words, it's a rectangle. It's, in this case, it'd be 2 times 2, 4, plus 1 is 5. It's a 5 by 5 rectangle that it does the median approximation, puts the new result out in the center pixel. Same is true with the trend filter. It's a 5 by 5 kernel. It fits that plane to that set of points. The center point becomes the value of the plane. That tends to filter. It takes the local trends. And we can turn these off. See the image is a little bit sharper. And that concludes the discussion about filtering.